So today we hit 500 miles. That means we get to do an oil change on the TC. Get to see if anything special comes out of the oil pan, metal flakes or anything. Some is expected for the break-in period. That's why it's a 500 mile break-in period. But yeah, after that I finally get on it and see what this motor's got. I know it's still a stock motor, but it's still fun to drive. So let's get to it. Alright, oil change, well, oil drain is done. I don't see that much metal flakes at all. So, you might see a little bit. Yeah, just a tad, nothing too worrisome. So yeah, it's time to fill it up and drive it. So, we'll see you then. And that is it. Go take it for a drive. currently 9:30 at night. I just got back from the hospital. Yeah, so I have a hernia, and it may need surgery to fix. Got a call tomorrow morning, make an appointment, and go from there. Sammy complained about my back and injuring it. That was all the hernia. So I lasted a week, and then I finally decided to go to the emergency room. But I hope you guys enjoying the video. Audio sounds pretty good. Video clip is okay. But yeah, so once I get fixed, more Del Sol content, removing the engine and cleaning up the engine bay, welding some holes up, making it all nice and pretty. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.